Today we're looking at one of the most exciting new releases from Longines in 2025, the Spirit Pilot Flyback Chronograph, now in a much more compact 39.5mm case. For years, the Spirit Flyback was a 42mm watch, thick and bold, at over 16mm. Beautiful, but not for every wrist. Now, thanks to a hand wound caliber, Longines has slimmed it down dramatically, 39.5mm wide, 13.4mm thick, and under 48mm lug to lug. That's a huge improvement in wearability. The redesign doesn't stop there. You get a rotating ceramic bezel with a brand new countdown timer, plus a vintage-style box sapphire crystal, and even without a screw-down crown, it's still 100 meters water-resistant. The dial keeps things clean and classic. Matte black, gilt markers, no date window, no 5-star logo, just crisp aviation vibes with 2 registers for the chronograph. Proportions are spot-on compared to the older automatic models. Inside beats the caliber L792.4, a hand wound movement based on the Valjoux 7750, but heavily reworked with a column wheel, silicone hairspring, flyback function, and a 68-hour power reserve. Of course, it's also COSC chronometer certified. The new Longines Spirit Pilot Flyback 39.5mm is available on a steel bracelet for €5,400 or a brown leather strap for €5,150. It's slimmer, cleaner, and more wearable than ever. Truly a pilot's chronograph for every wrist. What do you think? Is this compact flyback the best Spirit yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more watch reviews.